How to check history on calculator on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up the calculator app on your phone. The iPhone features a built-in calculator app for basic and scientific calculations, accessible by tapping the app icon, which is often found in the Utilities folder or by searching. To unlock scientific mode with advanced functions, rotate your iPhone to landscape orientation with the portrait lock disabled. From here, after making any calculations, tap on the menu icon on the top right corner. As you can see, a lot of different calculations has appeared. If you scroll through, you will be able to see all your calculation history sorted by day. This way, you can access any of your calculator history. Following these steps, you can easily check history on calculator on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.